We've got Have You Ever Seen the Rain, written by John Fogerty, 1970. In the description below, there's a link to the Creedence Clearwater Revival version of this in the same key, so you can play along. A good bit of fun if you want to have a crack at doing that. Even have a go at doing that now before you play the rest of this video. Could be an idea. Anyway, whatever you want to do, it's fine by me. Let's get into it. Pull down that karaoke screen. We've got A minor, F, C, G, easy chords, and E minor. So all of those are easy chords, and we should all know the song and how it goes. So should we do it together? Let's have a crack at it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know, and it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, it's been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Da 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 da. Yeah.